Welcome back, everybody, to our next safety discussion. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about outlets. Whether you're in the office or at home, some really important things that can keep you safe. Let's take a look.
All right, welcome to my floor, everybody. So what you're going to see behind me is your typical three-pronged outlet. You notice that in this outlet, we have done the right thing. There are these little plastic caps. These are a pain to pull out. They look like this. These protect against anything that's going in the outlet that shouldn't. Especially if you have young kids at home, it's really important to keep in mind putting these in. They could stick toys, forks, anything in there that would cause a problem. Now, let's take a look if we wanted to take the outlet cover off. Let's say we were painting the wall. It's really important that you kill the power to this area first, because once you open off the panel, it's going to give you a very different look. Let's take a look. You'll notice right now the lighting is very different. Usually when you go to your circuit breaker and you kill one of those fuses, you're going to then shut off not only one outlet by itself, but a whole section. So I have a separate light providing light here. Once you remove the faceplate here with your flathead screwdriver, you'll notice all the exposed wires on the left and the right of the outlet. A lot of homeowners do this because they want to paint around this to get a clean look, so when they put the panel back on, you don't have paint chipped against this. So, great thing to do, but always be careful when doing it. And I highly suggest shutting off the power right from the fuse box, so this is not a live outlet when you're doing so.
What you're noticing here is we're in a new location. This is the bathroom outlet. Does it look different? Absolutely. These outlets are called GFCI outlets. And one thing you're going to notice right away, there's two buttons at the center, reset and test. There's also a magic light comes on if it gets pushed. For example, when I push the test button, you're going to notice that immediately it goes red. This outlet means that it is tripped. You're going to find these throughout your house, especially near water sources. You'll see these in the kitchen, the bathroom, and other miscellaneous areas, probably as the garage as well. Know that this is what these do, because if you try to plug something in and it looks like this will not work. The next part of our journey here brings us over to our electric panel. For my house, it's hidden in the basement behind this lovely set of walls. Let's take a look. If you are unfamiliar where your circuit panel is located, this is something you definitely want to check out as a homeowner. You're going to notice we have all the fuses here, and we have our main breaker right here. If I was looking to shut off everything in the house, I'd flip this main breaker down. If I was looking for a specific location in the house, on my panel, it has written all the different fuses, the numbers, and where they're associated here, whether it's for the kitchen, the bathroom, the bedroom, etc. So you want to know where you're going. If you have an unlabeled panel, it may not be the most fun, but if you take a weekend and go through it, plug into outlets or have somebody stand in other rooms, you'll know immediately when those lights go out where those fuses are directed to. Well, there you have it, everybody. Some few moments in the safety discussion about knowing your house and the outlets around it. Having those safety plugs to cover the outlets if you have young children. If you're painting, to remove the panel, but shut off the fuse so that you don't have any open wires or could have incidents dealing with that. And then what it looks like with the different outlets, whether you're dealing with three-prong or you're dealing with GFCI. Look around your house and be aware of these things, so that this way, if something goes wrong, you can get to your electrical panel and kill the power before it's too late.